Today we're going to create something new. AI historical videos, and the best part is, it's 100% free. First, take a look at this YouTube channel. It has uploaded only 11 videos, and each video has received millions of views. You can create similar videos and achieve the same results. If you're wondering whether this channel is monetized, the answer is yes. When checked on Social Blade, its estimated income for the last 14 days is between $144 and $2,000 USD. This shows that if you start working on historical AI videos, you can easily earn even more by following the same strategy. And remember, always create your channel in English, because the CPM for English content is much higher. If you really want to earn in dollars and make a good income, focus on English videos. On English channels, you can earn around $10 to $16 for every 1,000 views, while on other languages like Urdu, Hindi, or regional ones, you usually get only $1 for every 3,000 views. So, if your goal is to earn more money, build your channel in English and target an international audience, especially from the USA, Europe, and Canada. Let's go and create everything. Free AI images, AI videos, and AI voice, all without spending anything. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like this video to support the content. Everything I'll show you today is 100% free. So watch carefully and follow each step to create your own professional AI projects easily. First, open ChatGPT. After that, I'll give you a prompt. You just have to copy and paste it. I'll also share this prompt in my YouTube description so you can easily find it there. After a few seconds, the story will be ready. You can create stories like this easily, but if you're thinking about how to make your own story idea, then open ChatGPT and just type your question there. I want to create a historic story. Please give me 5 best idea. You'll get 5 best ideas, and using any of them, you can create a complete AI video, film, or story, everything from start to finish. Choose the idea you like the most and make your story based on it. The story I created is around 400 words long, as you can see here. Now, to create the images for this story, I'll just write, generate image for this story, and that's it. Give me 10 image prompt and detailed. You'll get 10 best image prompts. These are perfect and most useful for your video. They will be detailed and high quality, so you can create amazing AI images from them. To create AI images, we'll use a website called Piclumen. It's an excellent platform for generating high-quality AI images. Next, when you want to make the images, just take each prompt and paste it into your AI image generator. Then click Generate. Forms for that. First, set the size to 16.9. Then, take your first prompt from ChatGPT, copy it, and paste it into Piclumen. You'll see that the image starts generating immediately. This way, I'll keep copying each prompt from ChatGPT and pasting it into Piclumen, and the images will be created one by one after that. You can see that the AI images have been created. They look amazing and high quality. If your Piclumen credits run out, you can use Leonardo.ai next. You can also create AI images there. By using both platforms, you can easily make all the images you need for your AI video completely free. Now all the images are ready. You can see how amazing they look. Each image is high quality, detailed, and realistic, and the results are truly impressive. They look almost real and are perfect for your AI video. Next, we'll create the AI voice, and it's completely free. There's a tool called Unlimited AI Text-to-Speech, which is one of the best for generating AI voices. You can use it for free on Unlimited A.tools. It also allows you to create free AI images, but right now we'll focus on voice. If you can't find the tool, leave a comment and I'll share the link with you. The platform gives daily free credits so you can generate voices every day. Open the AI text-to-speech generator, copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it there. Then select any voice you like. There are many options, but the Blaze Alex voice is one of the best. Click Generate. Remember, the tool can generate up to 1,000 words at a time. So if your script is longer, divide it into 4 parts to create the full voice. Once done, your AI voice will be ready to listen to.
The sun bleeds into the horizon, painting the sky in fire and gold. A storm of dust.
Now, to create AI videos, I'll use 3 websites. By using these platforms, you can make one AI video daily easily. The first website is Digin.ai. It's an amazing platform for creating AI videos. When you sign up, it gives you 300 free credits, enough to make about 10 videos. After that, it provides daily free credits so you can continue making AI videos easily. Right now, my account has over 4,200 credits because I've been logging in regularly. That's why I can create many videos without any problem. Even if you don't use Digin.ai every day, it still gives you automatic daily credits just like in my account. Now, let's make an AI video on Digin.ai. Click on Create, then go to Upload and upload your first image. Paste the prompt for that image, the first prompt, and click Generate. The video will start creating automatically. Then upload the second image, paste the next prompt and click Generate again. The next video will start. Takes a little time, but you can make 2 videos at a time. And within about 10 to 15 minutes, your complete AI video will be ready. The second website we'll use to make AI videos is Monetize. It's a very good platform for creating AI videos and gives 500 free credits. One great feature is that it can make videos up to 10 seconds long. To create a video here, open the website, click Create, then go to Upload and upload your image. Click plus, copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it. You can set the duration to 7 seconds or up to 10 seconds. After that, the video will start generating automatically and you can see the result. The third website is Veer.com, another amazing platform for making AI videos easily. It also provides daily free credits, allowing you to create several videos each day. When making a video on Veer.com, be careful not to skip any part, because every step is important to ensure your video is complete and high quality. Click on AI image to video generator first. Once it opens, click on Generate Video From. Next, go to Upload and upload your image. Then, in the basic image prompt section, paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT. After pasting it, click Generate, and your video will start creating automatically. It only takes about 5 minutes for the AI video to be ready, and you can see the final result. If you ask me which website is better between the ones we used, I would say Digin.ai. It's amazing, gives daily free credits, and the results are really high quality. Now, you can see that AI videos have been created on all 3 websites, and the results are truly incredible. For the final step, I'll use CapCut to edit the video. It's an excellent and easy-to-use software for video editing. CapCut is free and comes with amazing features like filters, effects, music, and smooth transitions, making it perfect for both beginners and professionals. Here, I'll add my video, apply effects, adjust transitions, and complete the editing. Now my video is fully ready. You can see how great it looks. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this video, leave a comment and I'll reply. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Next time, I'll share another new method. Thanks again for watching.